Hi, I'm Apubra from ClearTax. Today, let us see what CAGR means and how to use ClearTax's CAGR calculator. CAGR stands for Compounded Annual Growth Rate, and it refers to the mean annual growth of an investment over a period of time. The value of the investment gets compounded over the tenure. Unlike absolute returns, CAGR considers the time value of money. Consequently, it reflects the actual returns of an investment. In order to figure out CAGR, divide the end value of your investment by the beginning value. Raise the result to the power of 1 divided by the number of years of investment. Finally, subtract the result from 1 to know the rate of return on investment. The CAGR calculator provided by ClearTax is an easy way to calculate CAGR on your investment. Just click on the link provided in the description to land on our ClearTax's CAGR calculator page. First, enter the amount invested in mutual funds as the beginning value. Second, enter the anticipated ending value based on the increase in fund value over the period you've been watching. Next, enter the number of years you wish to stay invested. The corresponding CAGR value will be automatically displayed. Optionally, you can compare this value with absolute returns by switching the selected option under the type of rate of return field. However, there are a few limitations to CAGR. It is good for investors to know these limitations so that they can make informed investment decisions. The first limitation is that CAGR considers only the beginning and the ending values. The concept assumes that the growth is constant over the investment period and does not consider market volatility. Secondly, the concept is suitable only for lump sum investments and not for SIPs, as CAGR only considers the first installment of an SIP as the beginning value. Lastly, CAGR does not acknowledge the risk associated with an investment. In the case of equity investments, risk-adjusted returns make more sense. I hope the video was informative. Please like and share the video to encourage us. Also, subscribe to ClearTax channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications. Thank you.